Well, you made it through midterm. How are things going? Are you in communication with your instructor if you have questions or concerns or any struggles? I hope the answer is yes. We are now in week 5 of general chemistry. This week we're going to look at energy, called thermochemistry in the chemistry world. This is chapter 6 in your textbook. In this chapter, you will learn about reactions that require energy to happen, and then those that release energy when they do happen. Can you think about the reactions happening around you and which is which? Which are requiring energy, which are giving off energy? How about digestion? Does that require or release energy? Well, I will tell you, the synthesis of water releases energy, but the opposite process, the decomposition of water, has the opposite effect in terms of energy. That requires energy. This week, we'll look at the amount of heat energy released or required in the chemical reaction and how to measure that quantity absorbed or released. You have a homework, a lab, and again, 2 main posts and discussions to do, along with your replies in the other discussion. In the experiment this week, we will measure the specific heat of several metals by warming them to a known temperature, and then adding them to a known quantity of water in what's called a calorimeter. And from there, we'll measure the resulting rise in temperature of that water. Heat is being transferred between that hot piece of metal and the water such that the heat lost by the metal is equal to the heat gained by the water. Remember, watch my introductory video in the lab, and again use the sample lab report from week 1 as your template for accurately completing your lab report. Best of luck to you with your assignments. This week, I leave you with an interesting statistic that relates to energy. Did you know that as of 2012, the United States ranks 3rd in the world as far as energy consumption per person, with only the Canadians and Saudi Arabians using more than us? Interesting. Have a great week. Bye-bye, everybody.